with Have Them Homestead. This is my old booster pump that I've just recently changed out on my pool. I had to change it out because the armature finally went bad, or the stator, somebody went bad in it, something. And when I went to turn it on, it just made a humming noise. I changed the capacitor, it didn't start back up. That's when I knew that the armature was no good. So if you have one of these in the backyard and you've got to change your capacitor, because when you turn it on it just hums like so, really loud, normally the capacitor is what fixes it. Your pool man will probably charge you $250 to come out and change a $13 part. The capacitor is incredibly easy to change. So to change the capacitor, you only have 2 little bolts on it. It's going to be, depending on your machine, this one's a 1/4 inch. So granted, let's just pretend this is installed in the pool, and it's going to sit like so, where this is pretty much almost vertical. If it's not vertical, it should be. You have your 4 mounting flange bolts here that attach it to the pump adapter. There's an adapter right here, and then it goes into the shaft or the impeller to supply power. Now this is the same for your booster pump as it would be for your main pump. There's pretty much no difference if you have this type of pump. If you have a variable speed pump, this does not apply. With these, you only have to take one out because they are slotted. The case is slotted on top. So sometimes you can take one out and slide it out of the way. Right? So when you pick it up, you got 2 wires, in this case, going to the capacitor, and you'll need a small pry stick to pop it out. Can you tell if these are bad? Sometimes. Normally not, but sometimes you can. It's just 2 wires, one on each side. They don't care which side they go on. Take your needle nose pliers. And if you're concerned about which side they go on, you can have the new capacitor sitting aside. This is actually a new capacitor that I changed out when this was making the funny noise, and it didn't fix it. So this is good. You want to make sure you got good bite when you put your wires back on, and make sure they don't slip off. And reverse the process. Shove that bad boy in there, and then put the 2 bolts on. Start the pump up. Hopefully your loud humming noise went away. It's always good to have one of these guys laying around, so go out to your boost pump, turn power off, take the cover off, get your part number off of your capacitor, and order what you have in there. Make sure that your farads and hertz, let's see, yeah, make sure you're within that 124, 149 UF. Be close to that. Don't go too far outside of that. Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have fun out.